Is it streaming, y'all? It's streaming, though. I've done automation using Python scripts using NetMiko. Yep, exactly. But this is so NetMiko is to automate like network connections and everything. So I need to have NetMiko because that's what Ansible is going to use. It's going to pull from Python to do the automation. So all Ansible is doing is just allowing you to do the same automation scripts that you're using with NetMiko to multiple routers at the same time. So same difference. Let me YouTube. Tap a 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me. YouTube. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Let me get a mic. I'm gonna go get a mic. Hold on for YouTube. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Hold on. How do I do this too? What was it? Share it. Oh, copy that link. Close. Boom. Let me see what it looks like. Oh no, I think YouTube can hear me. Oh no, I think YouTube can hear me. Oh no, I think YouTube can hear me. YouTube, I'm gonna get a mic. YouTube, hold on. YouTube, I'm gonna get a mic. YouTube, hold on. Some comments in the live was filtered. YouTube, I'm gonna get a mic. YouTube, hold on. Some comments in the live was filtered. YouTube, I'm gonna get a mic. YouTube, hold on. Some comments in the live was. Let's see how far I can make it, y'all. I'm trying to get. Let's see how far I can make it, y'all. YouTube, I'm gonna show you. YouTube, I'm gonna show you. This is what I'm trying to do. Let me see. Let me see if I can do it. YouTube, I'm gonna show you. YouTube, I'm gonna show you. This is what I'm trying to do. Let me see. Let me see if I can do it. YouTube, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. This is what I'm trying to do. This looks about right? There you go. So if I go YouTube, this is the. There you go. If you go on my YouTube channel, you can see what I'm talking about. YouTube can see what I'm talking about. If you go on my YouTube channel, I go to my channel. I'm talking about YouTube chat. Put a 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me. Hold on, let me put this. Y'all can't hear me. YouTube chat. Put a 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me. Hold on, let me put this. Let me try to put this. YouTube chat. Put a 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me. Hold on, let me put this. Let me try to put this. Maybe y'all can hear me. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing this right here. This is what we're gonna attempt to do, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing this right here. This is what we're gonna attempt to do, y'all. And then it's this one. Ansible. And then it's this one. It's this one right here. Ansible. I'm gonna use this exact one. Let me mute that. Skip that. I'm gonna use this exact one. Let me mute that. So yeah, we gotta get this part started right here, this SSH. So let's see, when did we do that live last time? Real quick. When did we do that live last time? Let's see, when did we do that live last time? Real quick. When did we do that live last time? We went live. The last live was, we went live 9 days ago. And we set up all of this. We got Ansible. So if you watched that last live, 9 days ago, that's what we did. We installed Ansible and everything. So that's where we starting from. And now we need to start configuring everything That's where we starting from. And now this is just basic networking, no automation. Because I just got to get basic network connectivity. I got to get SSH on all of these things. So because I just got to get that's gonna take a minute. I got to get SSH on all of these things. So that's gonna take a minute. Oh, appreciate it, Jordan. Thank you for putting the one that you could hear. But so yeah, there's Paramiko for the TikTok chat that asked where Paramiko is. But I'm gonna have to there's Paramiko for the TikTok chat that asked where Paramiko is. But I'm gonna have to I forgot. I gotta set up SSH on all of these. I want to set it up as DHCP so they come online, but that's gonna just take too long to set that up too. So I want to set it up as DHCP. So what we gonna do? I guess we just do it piece by piece. Whoops. What we gonna do? I guess we just do it piece by piece. No, I ain't want that. This is what I want. There you go. Let's bring up that VM again. Let's bring up that VM again. Let me bring this thing back up. There it is. All right. Let me bring this thing back up. We were using this machine last time, so if we jump in there. Let me pull up this video over here so I can watch it over here. Let me watch this video over here. Oh, it ain't nothing but just setting up SSH. So this is just, so this part is getting your VM on the same network. This is what we're gonna do. So this is just, so this part is getting your VM on the same network. This is what we're gonna do. So this is just, so this part is getting your VM. And then I'll probably take a break, come back after we get SSH and everything and then configure. Probably take a break. I think I'll just do one box. Once we get SSH on one connection in the lab, then I'll take a break and then come back, and then we'll start running all the Ansible stuff. Because I got to figure out how to. I'm gonna have to blur out the config because it's my work config, and I'll figure something out. I'm gonna have to blur out the config because it's my work config. I'll figure something out. But yeah, this is just basic networking 101. All we finna do here. Whoops. So bring it back up. Let's maximize it. Let's see what we got right here. So boom. Let's see what we got right here. So boom. First of all, we're gonna do. IF config not found. Let's blow it up so y'all can see. Not found. Let's blow it up so y'all can see. So we getting what? 192.168.74.150 IP address. Let's see where we getting that from. So if we go here, manage virtual machine settings. Let's look at these settings. Network adapter NAC. So this means this is using a lab IP address. If it was bridged, it would be using the IP address of my internet connection. If it was bridged, it would be using the IP address of my internet connection. Oops. So we're using that. That's what we're supposed to be using. Let's move on. So we're using that. That's what we're supposed to be using. Wait, let me make sure. Hold on. No. It can't use that one. We gotta shut this down. Hold on. Remind me later. No. First of all, this gotta get shut down, y'all. I just thought about that. I gotta pull out my notes. So first of all, shut this back down. Pull out my notes. Alright, shut this down. And then launch it again. Let's see. VM, but this time we're gonna go into the settings and switch it to, we wanted to use the network VM, but this time we're gonna go into that I wanted to use. We wanted to use the network that I wanted to use. So this one is gonna be, let me look in my notes, dog. 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 TikTok, my battery finna die. TikTok. Let me look at my notes. Come on, man. This can't be this hard, dog. Cause it's about to get me hot, dog. This can't be this hard, dog. Chat, what's for lunch? Oh, it's only 9:30. What time? Oh, 10:30, not 9:30. Chat, what's for lunch? Oh, it's only 9:30. What time? Oh, 10:30, not 9:30. Chat, what's for lunch? Alright, so we gonna go. This is why it's good to document your notes, y'all. Just go right to the notes. Hopefully they could pull us through. Let's see. It's good to document your notes, this bitch say you just need to edit the host file, blah blah blah. This bitch say VM on the lab network. Disconnect from the Wi-Fi. VM on the lab network. Disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Oh, I gotta get on the Ethernet. That's how I did it. Does this computer even have an Ethernet? Oh, it do. It do. Does this computer even have it? So I just gotta get connected to the Ethernet. It do. And then what it say to do with the VM? Connected to the Ethernet. It do. And then what it say to do with the VM? Oh, okay. So it say we have to use the bridged for this because that's used if you're gonna connect within virtual lab or within VMware lab, and you want to talk amongst computers within that lab, the VM lab. If we just fired it up now, but if we want to talk outside of and talk to stuff like that's not in VMware, like the routers, we have to bridge that connection to the physical network. And then here's asking me. A6 USB gigabit. I think that's the little adapter thing that I got here. So let me get an Ethernet cord. A6 USB gigabit. I think that's the little adapter thing that I got here. So let me get an Ethernet cord. Also, where am I going to configure that IP address for this boy? Where am I going to configure that IP address? The IP address when I launch the virtual machine. I need to configure the IP address. So first of all, I'm gonna have to disconnect this from the network. I need to configure the IP address. So first of all, I'm gonna have to disconnect this from the network. So this can't be connected to the internet if I do this. Give me a second. Let me try to think it out. Let me try to think it out how I can leave it on to where you can still see it. Give me a second. Let me try to think it out. How I can leave it on. Let me think. Because if I kill that connection, then y'all can't see it. Where can I stream it? Y'all can still see it, but there ain't no connection. Nah, that ain't gonna work. Dang. Nah, that ain't gonna work. Dang. Let me see what else I could do. Let me see what else I could do. Trying to think. Nah, I can't stream it. No, I can't do it, man. Guess I'm gonna just have to record it because I can't stream it because it needs to be off of the internet. Guess I'm gonna just have to record it because I can't stream it to be able to be on my private network and y'all be able to see it. What can I do? I could put it on. Let me see what I could do. Nah, Techie Tech. The thing is I can't stream and connect to my lab, my home lab. That's the problem, dog. Dang. I want to be able to do it, but it just ain't gonna be able to be a way to do it for me to stream at the same time. It just ain't gonna be able to be a way to do it for me to stream at the same time. I mean, I guess. Let me try to do this. I'll just, instead of sharing my screen, since I can't share my screen, maybe I'll just zoom in on it with my phone, but then you can't see nothing. I think I could set it up to where I could put my phone on there. Let me try that. I think I could set it up to where I could put my phone on there. Let me try that. Let's see if that'll work. Let me try that. Let's see if that'll work. I'm gonna kill this chat. I'm gonna kill this lie. I'll watch the recording. Yeah. Techie Tech, if you just joined, I said I did this already on this. I'm just doing this video again. Techie Tech, if you just joined, I said I just the one I'm doing on this. I'm just doing this video. And we on this part of it right now where we just the one I'm doing. Just got to do the basic SSH and set up all the other stuff. That's what I was going to do today. Just got to do the basic SSH and set up all the other stuff. That's what I was But all of this, I can't share my screen like how I'm sharing it right there and how I'm sharing it now. I won't be able to do that. I got to just sit there and record it. And I just wanted to do it live. I got to just sit there and record it. Dang it. I guess I'm going to just put it on my phone then. Dang it. I guess I'm going to just put it on my phone then. Mashamba. Oh, shit. Mashamba. Been studying for my CCNA. Any advice? Been studying for my CCNA. Any advice? I mean, any advice? Can you turn your audio up? ZL edits. Dang. This is terrible. Can you turn your audio up? ZL edits. Hold on, ZL edits. Dang. Can you hear me? This is terrible. ZL edits. This better or is my volume still low? Can you hear me? ZL edits. Let me look. Better or ZL is my edits. Volume still low? Let me look. Settings. Let me look. Anyway, been studying for my CCNA. Yeah, I mean, Any advice? Just been studying for my CCNA. Focus on your weak points. That could be my only advice. You know what you're weak on. If it's subnetting, focus on that. Double down on that. Studying that. Learning that. Researching that. Subnetting, focus on that. Double down on that. Studying that. Learning that. Oh yeah, and 80% of that test is memorization, man. So. Yeah, there's only two things that for CCNA that you really got to use your brain for. That's the OSI model and subnetting. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for the likes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I have an echo. God, oh yeah, bro. Oh, hold on. Let me turn. Oh, I have an echo. How about now, bro? Let me know. Hold on. Thank you, ZL Edits too. I'm gonna get my stuff together. I'm gonna figure it out. Thank you, ZL Edits too. Yeah, hope that helped out, Mashumba. What else tips for studying? Be consistent. Do it at the same time every day. Like me, I like to study in the morning. I feel like my mind is like super like smart in the morning. By the end of the day, if I try to study, it's not a good look for me. I be missing questions and everything, so I'm super strong in the morning. That's when I be studying. So that would be some advice. But studying is studying. I mean, we did it in high school. That would be some advice. You just have to learn different techniques. I mean, we did it in high school. Like how to read that technical textbook. You need to learn how to read that. Like how to read that. Man, I need to figure out how we're gonna do this, man. Dang. Cause I want to share it. Man, I need to figure out how we're gonna do this. This sucks. I want to share it, but I can figure it out. I want to share it. Like 2 seconds. If I connect it, this sucks. I want to share. If everybody get connected to the. Like 2 seconds. If I connect it. What if I just connect everybody there? What if I just? That might be the move. Make that the switch. That might be the move. Let's try it. I think I got an idea, y'all. I think I got an idea. Check me out. Let's try it. Check me out. I got an idea, y'all. I think I got an idea. Check me out. The only thing is I don't got the password to this dang router, so I gotta link this. The only thing is I need to link this router. I think I got the. I hope I remember the password to get in this thing. So I'm gonna connect this router. I think I got. And then I remember the password to get in this thing. On these ports, I'm gonna connect the PC, and then I'm gonna connect the routers and let them get the IP addresses via DHCP. And then I'm gonna connect the routers. And this puts them all on the same network. If I could do that, then because this is gonna be all private network, and then this is my public network, right? Because that's gonna be to the public connection, and this is private. So, and then this is my public. We can do this. Let's see if we can do this like Brutus. Do I still got an echo there? Let's see if we can do this like Brutus. Do I still got an echo? Do I still got an echo? All right, let me hook up this router. Let's get that first piece going. Let's see what happens. Do I still got an echo? All right, let me hook up. What time is it, chat? God dang, I've been doing this for an hour. This is not cool, bro. I don't got time for this. What time is it, chat? God dang, I've been doing this for an hour. Let me get to work, dog. I don't got time for this. First, turn everything off. Boom. Then we need the internet. Where the internet? First, turn everything. Let's see. Boom. Got trash cables. We might have to go to Walmart, y'all. Probably gonna have to go to Wally World. Got trash cables. We might have to go to Walmart, y'all. All right, good connection there. Let's see. Does this got a good connection? Let's see. All right. Uh-oh, sounds like a clicking. Click, clack. Let's see. All right. Uh-oh, sounds like a clicking. Come on, power on. All right. Let's see what happens, y'all. All right. Let's see what happens, y'all. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right. we got the, what all we got? We got the router coming up. We got the, what all we got? We got the, let's see, router coming up. We got the, what all we got? We got the, let's see, router coming up. All right. Now I'm gonna need an Ethernet cable for that. All right. Now I'm gonna need an Ethernet cable for that. Let's see. All right. Now I'm gonna need an Ethernet cable for that. Let's see. Come on, bro. All right, I think we got internet. All right, I think we got internet. See if this thing get us internet. What the hell? That didn't click. That don't sound good. Let's try this side. That didn't click. That don't sound good. Let's try this side. That didn't click. Let's see. Moment of truth. Let's see. Oh shoot. Do you want to allow it? Yes, yes. Oh shoot. Do you want to allow it? Yes, yes. Oh shoot. Do you want to allow it? Yes, yes. Let's see, dog. Whoa. See, dog. Whoa. 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 Whoops. Dang. Whoops. Oh, right there. Network. There. Oh, right there. Network. There. Oh, right there. Network. Enable, enable. So this should be mine right here. Let's see. Enable, enable. So this should be mine right here. Let's see. So IP address. Let's see now. Moment of truth. So see now. Moment of truth. Crap. Okay, so I am getting the IP address. Let's see. Okay, so I am getting the IP address. Let's see. Bridged. Bridged. Okay, so now that bit say bridge. Let's make sure. Okay, so now that bit bridge. Automatic replicate physical network connection state. I don't know what that means. Physical network connection state. Here we go. 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 Because all I got to get them on the same network. Once I ping them, it's a wrap. All I got to get them on the same network. The other stuff is small potatoes. You heard? Small potatoes. You heard? I got to get a power cord. Hold on while this thing boot up, y'all. I got to get a power cord. Hold on while this thing boot up, y'all. I got to get a power cord. Hold on while this thing boot up, y'all. Man, I hope that thing's still connected. Oh, it is. Oh, it is. What y'all think it is? Oh, okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hopefully that fixed it. What else do I need to cut off? Alright. Let's do it. Okay, look like we got IP address. Let's see. And we can hit the default gateway. Alright, so we can do this here. We can do this here. So I think I put everything over here the last time. Oh yeah, see? Dang, that was we gotta go into that dang virtual environment. I forgot where I even got that. I think it was on a YouTube video. Let me go find it. Let me go find that YouTube video. Because I know it was like Python. Oh, hopefully the commands are still in here from last time. Yeah, they still in here. Python, right there. That shit right there. And then I think I was supposed to download Ansible. Then download Ansible right here. So we're in a VM, and this starts, not sure if you're, oh. All right, so y'all can hear me now. Good then? Good, hopefully. So this is just best practice right here, starting a virtual environment within this VM. That way, it's a container. Everything's contained and it doesn't affect the entire system. I won't have to burn this VM and start a new one if stuff goes left. It'll only affect this container that we're creating right here. I think that's all we got to do. Oh, and then we got to activate it. Because that doesn't do nothing but create it. But you got to activate it. Right? So to activate it, this is just best practice. You don't got to do this. But right here, that source virtual environment /bin/activate. Now we're in that environment. Now we can do our start following our process of what we're gonna do next, right? Is install Ansible. Thought we did that last time. Let me see. Let's go to downloads folder. Maybe we put it in there. Oh no, nothing in there. So I guess we did get rid of it. We could just do Ansible -- version, and it's already installed here. Paramico -- version. Is that what I put? No, that's not it. It's this thing right here. I'm just verifying all the dependencies that we had to do last time. This one. So if we go back, blah, 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 blah. Ansible version. Then I'm trying to install Ansible, blah, blah, blah. Pip show Paramico. That's what we got to do. Where's that? Pip show Paramico. I think that was a command. Yeah, it's not found. See, and why is this shit not blowing up? Oh, I would have to do like that. Okay, I'll do like that to go full screen. See, I'm gonna have to do pip install Paramico. Let's try it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ah, crap. Alright, but now I need to know, does this need to be installed where Ansible is installed? Whatever. We're gonna find out. Because I don't even know where Ansible is installed at. Maybe I could do find or locate Ansible. Find directory. Trying to think. Dash type. Let's do this. That don't help. Let me do this. If you're joining live, you can look at what I'm doing on my YouTube. If you go over there. It is fuck it. I don't know where that bitch at. Anyways, let's just do it. Oh, that's why I failed last time. You gotta do sudo. Scooby-Doo cousin, yes sir. This is I am automating Cisco devices. with Ansible. It's all gonna be on my YouTube too, on the live, so you can go watch it over there too later on. But if you got any questions about it, you can ask me here. Uh, what is it? What was it? Pip show Paramico now? Oh, what the fudge? Bro, what the hell? Whoops. Let's try this. Oh. Oh, it still gave me that shit. Wasn't that damn hard on this video. Pip show Paramico. Come on, just type the command. Python 3. No. Install Paramico. That's all it should do. What is this thing? So I guess this thing is telling me to do that. Let's see. Let's try it again. Ah, come on, bro. Let's see what ChatGPT got to say about all of this bullshit. Yeah, I'm about to go get some food, dog. What time is it? 11? Cause this song, I'll come back on here. We finna finish this, but this song, it's some bull. Oh, I think it said because I'm using sudo, so it say just take sudo out, and it say do this. Let's try this. Permission denied. Check the permissions, and then if that don't work, it said to try this one. Same thing. Let's see what it say now. Sent you a message, man. Hope it's not too long, but enjoy your page. Thanks for all you do. Yes, sir. Scooby Doo cousin. Yes, send me the message. Yeah, appreciate you, bro. You're inside a virtual, which is good, but you're still getting permission denied during installation. That usually happens if something inside was created or modified using sudo previously, which messes with. Let's fix this. Just make sure you're not working in the broken being. Deactivate, delete, and recreate the virtual. I'm not in no broken one, bro. Oh, so I gotta do it. Dang. It's saying to deactivate the virtual environment. So deactivate. Remove it. And then start it back up. Sudo that bit. And then source. What was it? VmV bin activate to activate it again. Now just install it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bitch! Still did the same. Bro. This is the hardest part of this stuff, bro. Just installing Paramico. Trying to do it all fancy in this stupid virtual environment stuff. What's good, Nelson? I'm stuck like Chuck on this. Bro, I did not do no sudo pip install. I just want Paramico on this bitch. Oh yeah, let's see. Packages not found. It's because y'all won't let me install a stupid Home Ninja Live site package. Check permissions. Yeah. Site packages. Huh? This is crazy, bro. How I did it in the video, I can't do it right now. That's wild. That shit pissing me off. Face the error in chat. You might be able to. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I kept putting the error in there. I swear it's this stupid virtual environment crap, bro. Trying to be fancy. I ain't do that in the last video. Alright. What was it? VmWare. Cannot remove. Oh. Alright, maybe that's the problem. Let's try it again. If that was it, I'm gonna be pissed. Come on, bro. Let's go with the good old reboot. If this reboot don't work, I don't know what else, bro. I'm gonna have to just sit here and keep messing with it until it works, bro. It's gotta work. It's just one little Paramico piece of crap that I gotta get on there. Cause Paramico, that's the part that's gonna let you SSH into these things from Linux. NetMiko, Paramico. This is bull crap. I've been on this bit too long, bro. Almost 2 hours with this. This is no bueno. You shouldn't need to use sudo to start the virtual environment. Thanks, Colby Lee. I'm not even going to mess with that virtual environment. I'm going to just try to get Paramico installed because I did it before. Like I was showing everybody. I did it on this video. Very easy. No problems. Python. Oh, where is it at? Where is it at? Ansible. Then I just... It's installed on this one, so I done did it before. This shit can't be rocket science, but for some, as soon as I get on the live, none of this crap want to work, bro. But I appreciate it, Colby, for real. I think, yeah, I'm just learning about that. That was my first time ever creating a container and all of that crap, so I rebooted. Let's see if this thing gonna still keep on doing the same thing. I just want to install Paramico. How do you pip install Paramico? Do it. God dang it, bro. Why does it keep doing this? This environment is externally managed. Where XYZ is a package you are trying to... Let's try that one. App install Python 3 dash... What's the package I'm trying to... Paramico? Now they want sudo. Now they want sudo. I know you lying. Bitch, I know you lying. I know you fucking lying. Bro. Y'all seen this, right? Man, this saying that the bit been on there the whole time. That's cap, bro. It has not been on there. Whatever. That's why I'm a beast. Let me stop. Cause this I ain't even got nothing talking yet. That's why they think this thing easy, bro, just to make these devices talk. Let's go. Let's try our little... If I mess it up by going in this virtual environment, I'm gonna be hot, bro. Alright, so boom. We in there. What else we need to do now? What else we need to do now that we in the virtual environment? Paramico. Let's see if I can see it in this bit. Ah, see, it's not in the virtual environment. So let me see if I deactivate this. Ah, so I need to install it within that virtual environment if I'm going to use that virtual environment. But that's another show. I ain't that souped up. I don't know what's going on with that. We just going to stay out of that virtual environment crap and keep it rocking because I need to get this shit done. So the only thing I need to do is communicate with a router now, since I have my IP address right there, and I can ping my default gateway. YouTube, you can't see I'm connected to a Linksys router if you just joined it. I'm finna connect a router. Let me see if I can show y'all the console. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the console of the router we're gonna connect to. Y'all like the video or something if y'all liking this crap, or I'm not gonna do it, bro. I'll refuse to do it, bro. I need a console cable. Dang. Where's my console cable? YouTube chat, y'all. What y'all following me? What's going on? Cause ain't nobody on TikTok. It say zero followers. Oh, hold on, y'all. Sheesh. Oh, I know what I gotta do. Hold on, I'm gonna find the console cable, y'all. My bad. Oh, I found it, y'all. I found it. Here, YouTube chat. Y'all rocking with me. TikTok chat. Nobody rocking with me. Connect to the host. Nah. Cancel that. See? Doing too much. Cancel that. I'm trying to connect to my own shit over here, bro. So we got a router. Console in there. Come on. Console cable ain't even. Oh, that's bullshit. I don't know. Hopefully the console cable work now. Of course, that bitch don't want to work. The router's turning on. I'm gonna show y'all the router. Hold on while it's turning on, and we're gonna connect it to the same Linksys router on another port. Got link lights. So let's go into putty. We need putty. So let's get out of here. Minimize this guy. Putty. Do we got putty here? We do. Oh no, we don't. Oh shit, we gotta download putty. Hold on, let me see. We don't got nothing else that can log us into this bit. I don't got nothing else on here. Guess we gotta go get putty then. Let's go get putty. PUTTY. Then download it. We're gonna just do this. MSI Windows installer, blah 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 blah. I don't know what none of that is. That MSI. I just go to putty.exe 64-bit x86. Open it, and you got putty. Now you go here to your device manager. Y'all getting a whole free course if you don't know. But if you know this stuff, then no, you're not. Where am I? Oh, right here. You go, not network adapters. You want to go to COM ports. COM 3. You want to go here, serial, COM 3. And this need to be 9600. There's other settings in here. We won't go over that. Serial, COM 3, open. Hit enter a couple times. And give it a second. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the console port works. I remember my console cable. Oh gosh. As an owner of both goggles and goggle glasses, I know how to make sleep goggles/glasses. But I have no idea how to make slick social media stuff. Come on, bro. Now this thing. Come on. So all I had to do was upload a video of me and my funny face. Let's try this then. Oh, so the console cable good, y'all. Hold on. God, dog. There it goes. That's the router. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario? Oh crap. Oh shoot, we got stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on. Can't show none of that coming up. This stuff already ready to go. We need another router. This one looked like it was configured. Hold on, y'all. We just gotta fire up this other one. I didn't know that one was rocking and shocking. It's gonna take a couple minutes for this one to boot up. I'm booting it up now. I'm gonna take a break once we get SSH access to this thing configured. And then after that, we just gonna make it do what it do. Do y'all want to stick around and watch me put SSH on these things or just come back? YouTube chat. What y'all want to do? I say y'all go review this video. Cause the next step we're gonna do SSH setup. I mean that's pretty basic. Nothing really. It's just a SSH config. I'll run through that with y'all. It's just a SSH config. That way you can have a template. I don't think I put how I configure SSH on this video. Yeah, I was just pinging and showing. We could go through the SSH configuration if y'all want. If y'all don't want to, let me know now. I ain't no fun forcer now. I ain't no fun forcer. Let's see if this router came up yet. Oh, it's booting up, y'all. Y'all some real network engineers. Need to use what? AWX. What is that? AWX or AWS? Chat, I'm hungry, bro. I'm finna go get something to eat, dog. Let me see. I'm not gonna set up SSH. I'll do ping and configure the IP address stuff. I need to eat too. Yeah, dog. Come on, this thing takes forever. Hungry. There you go. Here we go, y'all. How bad is the volume, YouTube chat? Is it even bad now? TikTok, what's happening? Ask your questions. You can drop your questions if you want, bro. Y'all be having the most questions on TikTok. Then when I go live, nobody got a question. Shit is crazy. Alright, there ain't nothing on here. This is the router I was trying to show y'all. Ain't nothing on here. We're gonna configure 000. Here we go. Here we go. And then IP address 10 dot. We gotta switch back over to our VM. One. Let's do this. You're on the /24. So that means we gotta keep these first three the same, right? Let's paste that in there. And then we can just say this is, let's just call this 10, right? Gotta put in the subnet mask. Again, we seen what that was right there, right? /24. 255.255.255.0. Now we have that. So now let's go ahead and try to ping. Let's ping some stuff. The default gateway first of all. We should be able to reach that. Maybe not. Yeah, because we don't have no routes to the default gateway. So it can't ping that. Also, we don't have a Ethernet cable in there. So I need an Ethernet cable. Thanks, Colby. Thank you. We need an Ethernet cable. Now, there we go. Now we got an Ethernet cable. Let's try to ping that thing again. Or let's look at our routing table now that we got an Ethernet cable. We have more information in there. It's saying it's connected to this network and locally, meaning on this router that's on this network, that's the IP address. /32 means everything. And we can verify that, right? If we did show run interface gig 0/0/0, we see the IP address. So now let's try to ping our default gateway on this network now. Nope. But let's try to ping 10.162.211.141. What do y'all think is going to happen before I ping it? Let me know. Is it going to be successful or fail? 5, 4, 3, 2. It worked. All right, so now that we got that, all we got to do is SSH into that bit. And that's the easy part right here. So here we go. We're going to set up SSH, no IP domain dash lookup. Then we also need a domain. IP domain. And we can name it whatever we want to name it. We're going to put it www.ninja.com. What else we need here? Username, Cisco, privilege, level 15, Cisco. Whoops. Oh, we need to put password. Password, Cisco. There we go. That's saying don't use no weak ass passwords, but this is a lab, so who cares? Then we need to do line for the virtual terminal lines. 0/15. That's a little extreme. This is a lab, so we could really do like 4, actually. Don't need that many lines open for that. Now, login local. This piece says, hey, login local. Use the local creds, the ones that we set up here, these creds. So if you come over these lines, login local says use these creds. After that, you got to tell it what to use, because you can use SSH, Telnet, or both of them. But why? Who would know? Maybe you're doing labs. That's why you want to look at stuff. There you go. Transfer input SSH. And last but not least, get out of here. Crypto key generate RSA modulus and the strength of the crypto of the key that you're going to generate for SSH. Oh, and it needs a host name for the router. So we could just do, for it to generate these keys, you need to name host name. And we could just put this as R1 since it's the first router. Run our thing again. It's generating it. Everything is good. Now let's SSH as suspected, as expected. From our VM, Cisco add. And we need the IP address of this guy. Do show run interface gig. Right? Whoop. Right there. 162.211.10. So copy that. Paste it. Whoops. I put a space there. There we go. Oh, this shit. No matching key exchange. Hold on. I forgot how to do this. I done did this before, bro. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Diffie Hellman. Alright, y'all. It's saying that I gotta put this kind of stuff. This is just like bull crap for the keys. This is just lab environment stuff, y'all. So let me try to fix it. So I think you gotta go in here. What does it say? So you gotta go into the file, whatever, for the SSH config. I knew it was gonna say that. It say go in here. What's the name of this file that I'm in? What was this? It say go in here and look for Kex. See, it's not in there. There is no Kex in it. All right, let's try this. If this worked, nah. Whoops, my bad. Let's try this. If this works. And then it says to put this in there. Whatever the freaking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. What else to say I could do here, bro? Yeah, I'll have to come back, dog. I'm tired. Fuck it. That's that bull. Yeah, we're gonna have to tune back in when I figure it out, y'all. Got some work to do. See y'all later.